Hi traders, this is Aleks FX and I'll be trading the beginner strategy on the pound US dollar. This is a daily chart and you can see we're in a nice uptrend and we've come off a nice level of resistance right here. See how we've had resistance here and then here, nice rejection down, and we have this level in here. See, price breaks down, closes below, comes back, retests as resistance, and we start moving down and we're into this area. Well, I've actually just cleared it, but this level of support. See that big wick, and now we're trading below. So if we move to the 4-hour chart, nice down move, downtrend, broken down fractal, prices retraced into this level of resistance, and we've got this swing low right here, which is potential support. 30-minute chart now, and you can see nice down move, fractals broken to the downside, so direction is down. And the direction changes right over here. This up fractal is where the direction changes. So we're looking for selling opportunities now. And here's the 5-minute chart. So you see the pullback here. And we're looking for a trade to the downside now if we get this fractal broken right here. Alright guys, so we've just been taken in on this trade. You see the spike down. There's the working order right there. Stops above this fractal plus the spread, just on sort of the 2-pip range, and the tape off. We're looking down towards this daily S1 pivot right over here. However, I'll just highlight this level here for you. So that's the S1 pivot. Now if we go to the 30-minute chart, just have a look at these areas here. These are potential support areas. You've got this swing low right here. Just mark this across there. That's potential support right there. So I want to pay close attention to that area. Gives us a few pips to work with. That highlight area is the S1 pivot, and then we've got this swing low. That's from the 4-hour chart. So these are all areas that I want to watch very closely on the way down. So have a look at that 5-minute chart quickly. So back here we've just been taken in. And you see how prices moved and it's closed back above this area. See, it's held a support, big spike below, and it's closed. So we really need to see a close below and then a retest. Alright, so prices really just stuck in this horrible range at the moment. I'll just highlight this. You see this area right here. Nice tight range. Looking for a close. Need this candle to come back and close, retest as resistance. And then we can move down towards these areas below us. Alright, so there's the close, finally having a nice little close below. You see how it's retested as resistance right there. Just look at this here. We have support across here. And then we close back below there. And now we're using it as resistance. So we're looking for a leg down now. And we've got this potential fractal forming. So we want to see if we can get some risk up, but we need 2 candles to close first. Okay, so we've just had those 2 candles closed, and see that's the fractal right there, and I've just basically moved the spread. So it's 2 pips on here, just over 2 pips. Let's move it down and we'll reduce some risk on there, which is nice. And now we can see if price will move low. So you can see with another close below the level, prices continue moving down. I like the look of this. We've got this first area of support here. I just want to go to the 30-minute chart where that's level right there. Okay, watching that closely, and then we've got a few areas below us. Now, okay, moving down nicely. I'm gonna watch this area here and potentially take some profits around this level. We've got Bank of England Governor Carney speaking today, so I want to be a little bit more cautious with regards to this trade. Alright, so price is moving down. We want to see a close. We can get a nice close. That'll be very, very good for the trade. Alright, so nice move down. We've got another sort of 2 pips or so to go into this range. Just compress this chart nicely, and you can see those levels that we're talking about. So I want to look at taking some profits. We get a little pop lower here. I want to take a half the position off when we get into the support level. So currently 5 pips up at the moment, and we've obviously got to clear the spread, so if we can get down into this area here. Nice close. I like the close below those lows now. Nice bearish looking candle. So look at the 30-minute chart. See that close on the 30-minute? And now we're moving down into support. So it's looking nice and bearish, but we are coming into a key area of support. Nice close below on the 15, and now we're obviously moving down on the second candle. This is that swing low point. So it's looking really good. Like we can get a move down here. Alright, so now we're moving down. I'm going to take half off at the support area right here. Okay, so we've taken half our position at support. And now we've got that S1 pivot right there. It's about 20 pip range. See our prices starting to bounce. We have closed below that area, which is really nice, but I expect some buyers in and around this area. Alright, so we're moving into this level right here that I've marked off, and see this little candle, we're starting to bounce off this area, so I'm actually going to look at taking my profits right there. Alright, so we've closed out the positions now. We've come into this area, this little base here, and we've scaled out quite nicely. So nice little trade. I've taken half the position and then the remainder off at those 2 levels of support. So recap, 30-minute direction was down, and we then moved to the 5-minute chart to look at the trading opportunity. We got the up fractal broken. Price broke nicely to the downside right there, and we got entered. Initial stop was up above the high, reduced the risk, and we scaled out into these levels of support. First area was there, and then the second area was just below us when we started to see signs of weakness. Hope you found that helpful. I'm Aleks FX, and I will see you next time.